Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Whether you're a QuickBooks enthusiast or a new learner in this platform, you are in the right video. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk you through the steps to delete a customer in QuickBooks Online. Whether you have, duplicate entries or decluttering your customer list, we've got you covered. So if you haven't already, be sure to click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Now, I just wanted to say before we proceed, please note that deleting a customer is a significant action. Make sure you've backed up any essential data associated with that customer, such as transaction history and invoices. As this data will typically be irrecoverable once deleted, and there are, of course, plenty of reasons for deleting a customer. Duplicate entry, if you accidentally entered the same customer twice, you might want to delete the duplicate entry to maintain accurate records. Sometimes there are a customer who is no longer active. It's an obvious choice for those who is no longer doing business with you or with the company. You might want to declutter your customer list, and the obvious choice would be deleting them. And the data cleanup over time, your customer list may become outdated or cluttered with irrelevant entries. Deleting inactive or irrelevant customers can help keep your records organized. Now, again, it depends on the version that you are using, but mine here in this interface, all you gotta do is go to your left part of the panel where it says customers right here. It will give you the option of the customer here. You click that sample customer. Now, if you have an existing customer, when you click you see the edit button here, it says make inactive and merge contracts. If you have an existing customer, you can see the delete customer here. But since this is for training intended purposes, we can't actually delete it, but we can make it inactive. And once we click that inactive, yes, make it inactive. Yeah, there you go. Sample customer deleted. Congratulations. You've successfully deleted the customer from your QuickBooks Online account. The customer is now removed from your active customer list, and that's it. There you have it. And if you have any questions like these or comments, feel free to drop them in the comment section. We really love hearing from you and are always here to help. Once again, always click the notification bell for any future content so we can keep you on the loop. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.